Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you, and we're finally back. We are finally back, and this is the recap for today's trades. We were finally back and streaming today, and I'm finally back home, and it's great to be home again. We had a great time. Had 2 weeks on vacation, visiting family and friends out of state. And that was great, but it is great to be back again. And let's dive in and recap our trades for the day. And let's get started with this account. As you can see, had a pretty big red day on this account. Of course, here, let me look at the daily chart. So, of course, in the last would be 10 days. So be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, the 10 days I'm gone, we just had nice uptrend. The first day I'm back, we have a big red bearish engulfing candle. So go figure. I was a little bit wary of it this morning. I thought there was a chance that we could see a sell-off today. But unfortunately, I didn't heed to my own I guess, caution or warning. But yeah, I tried to pick the bottoms here twice. These two trades were my biggest losses. I tried basically twice to capture a quick move higher, and it just kept going lower. And yeah, it is what it is. I tried to catch a bottom, and I don't know. I used to be good at trading short. I used to be good at trading big red days, and that's no longer the case. These big red days usually get me, and it's unfortunate, but it wasn't all bad. It wasn't all bad. We did have some other accounts that we were green in. Toward the end of the day, some of these moves are pretty crazy moves. They don't look like they're that big, but this bounce right here at 2 o'clock, from the 380s to the 480s, this is a 100-point move. So there's some crazy volatility today. And let's switch to showing all of the accounts. So this is all of the accounts. And I actually I think when I ended stream, I had only traded these 3 accounts at the bottom. Most of the trading I did was on this move up. On this move higher, I felt like, hey, we're going to make a push into the close, and I felt pretty confident about it, and I started trading my 150K accounts, and as you can see, I actually had some really nice trades. Here was one of them, but I actually got kind of lucky. These 2 accounts here, I took similar trades in them. Not quite the exact same trade, but they were both trying to go long. I think it was on this move. I ended up on those 2 accounts. I was actually down over 700 on those accounts, and basically was able to bring him back to about break even. And I decided to just call it a day after that. Felt pretty fortunate to basically get back to break even on these 2 accounts, being that we were down. I think the one account was down 800 and the other one was down 700. And I was able to catch some of these moves higher, this move here. And I think I actually caught this move higher as well. So it's kind of touch and go trading there for a second, because it was pretty volatile. And yeah, I was clenching quite a bit taking those trades, but it worked out. We were able to get back to break even basically. And but yeah, my plan going forward on these accounts, as I was sharing in today's stream, I'm just going to trade them one at a time, and it's going to take me a while. It's going to take a while to get all of these accounts above the profit threshold. As you can see, I have, quite a bit of 150K accounts. And then this morning on the CPI news, I did pass 2 more of the 150K accounts. So I will be turning those 150K accounts into PA accounts tonight, which means we have 20 funded accounts again for the first time in I think about 3 or 4 months. So hopefully we can keep those 20 accounts and get a payout on all 20 accounts at one time. That would be like my goal. And it might take until August to get there. It might take a while. But my focus is going to be to get $200-$300 in profit per day, call it a day, move it to the next account. And it's going to take a while to cycle through and trade all the accounts. But for now, I'm just going to trade them one at a time and just take it slow, because as I was sharing this morning, if I would have been copy trading this account today, that would be a big, like $800 loss on 18 accounts. $800 loss on one account, I can handle that. That's totally fine. But it seems like if I copy trade, that's when I struggle to accept losses. And when I don't accept losses is when my trading spirals out of control. So the goal is to just take it slow, trade one account at a time, and hopefully get these accounts across the profit threshold. What I really like about these bigger accounts is once I get them across the profit threshold, I still have a nice buffer in the accounts after I make my withdrawals. So, and the other reason I'm switching to the 150Ks is just because of the promotion that Apex is currently running, which is you can, any 150K or 250K or 300K account that you pass, you can activate them into a lifetime account for $85. So that's the main reason that I'm going with these 150K accounts. So there's no rush. These have all lifetime accounts except the bottom three here. These are still the 50K accounts that I've already taken payouts from. Those are on a monthly fee, but the other accounts are all going to be the lifetime fee. So there is no rush. All right, guys, I think that does it. I am working on the top 10 video, and I'm hoping to upload the top 10 video for the month of June tonight. So keep your eyes open for that. And I appreciate all of the support. And it was a great day to be back. And it was great to be back streaming and just interacting with all of you awesome folks. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. We'll be back tomorrow, and God bless.